The digital age has ushered in an era where data breaches and cyber attacks have become all too common headlines. Yet, amidst this backdrop of digital chaos, a new hero has emerged, the cybersecurity specialist. Trained to thwart hackers and fortify networks, these new age warriors wield their knowledge like swords, guarding against the unseen enemies that lurk in the vast plains of the internet. In today's high-stakes digital arena, their role has never been more critical, serving as the last bastion between personal privacy and catastrophic data breaches. This sharp rise in the necessity for cybersecurity expertise illuminates not just a professional evolution, but a societal imperative. This essay aims to delve into the life and challenges of a cybersecurity specialist, illustrating why their role is not just a career choice, but a cornerstone of modern society. The alarm clock blares at 5:30 a.m., and the day for a cybersecurity specialist begins. The morning ritual isn't about physical armor. Instead, it's about mental preparation, reviewing the latest security bulletins, checking overnight reports from automated systems, and preparing for a day of digital battle. A typical day involves a mix of routine checks and adrenaline-fueled emergencies, pivoting deftly between prevention and crisis response. As the specialist pores over lines of code on multiple screens, their eyes are trained to spot anomalies that could indicate a security breach. This high-stakes environment requires a blend of deep technical skills and sharp analytical abilities. Training sessions and strategy meetings intersperse with real-time incident handling, where quick thinking can mean the difference between a contained threat and a full-blown disaster. Beyond the technical, soft skills like communication are crucial. They must explain complex security issues to non-experts, often translating cyber threats into business risks that executives and board members can understand. This skill is invaluable, particularly when advocating for necessary resource allocations or when a decision must be made swiftly during a crisis. Every job has its challenges, but few carry the high stakes of a cybersecurity role. The relentless pace of technological change means that cybersecurity specialists must continually learn and adapt. New vulnerabilities and hacking techniques develop daily, and staying ahead of these trends is both demanding and exhausting. Moreover, the weight of responsibility is immense. A single oversight can lead to significant financial loss and damage to an organization's reputation. However, the rewards are equally significant. Many specialists thrive on the challenge and the knowledge that their work safeguards millions of people's personal and financial information. There's a profound sense of accomplishment that comes from neutralizing potential threats and strengthening systems against future attacks. Moreover, as the digital landscape expands, so too does the importance and respect accorded to this field. The community among cybersecurity professionals is another often overlooked benefit. It is a field where sharing knowledge enhances everyone's defense strategies. Conferences, both virtual and in-person, and professional networks play essential roles in the dissemination of the latest research and defense tactics. The importance of cybersecurity has never been more apparent than it is today. As our reliance on digital technology grows, so too does our vulnerability to cyber attacks. In this environment, the cybersecurity specialist does not merely have a job. They carry a mantle of guardianship over our digital identities. Their work, often done behind the scenes and unrecognized, is crucial in shaping the safety and security of our modern connected world. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the digital age, we owe much to these silent guardians who ensure our digital lives remain intact and secure.